Good morning, dear students. Today we will be looking into hyperlinks, and I'm going to tell you how to create a hyperlink, right? So, this is we have already done this part. I'll just go through it. This is HTML tag, this is opening, this is closing HTML tag, head tag is there, and inside the head tag I have written title. Always remember that the tag which starts first should close at the end. Here title is inside, so I'm closing the title first and then only I'm closing the head. Now body, BG color stands for background color. I have taken it as yellow. I have taken it as yellow. Let me close the body tag here. Okay, and then heading I have taken, it is aligned to the center. Link will come at the center, and I have also used one more tag, that is font. Again, it's a container tag, so it has got opening and closing both. And I have used all the three attributes of font tag: face, size, and color. Right now, let me see how this is going to look. I'm going to the page. This is how the page will look with this tags which I've already written. Okay, so now let's go back to the page. Okay, so this is the page that we have seen just now. So I'm going to start to create a hyperlink. To create a hyperlink, we should use a tag, that is anchor. Again, I'll start writing a. Again, it is a container tag, so it should close a. Okay, now to give the address of the page or the website which I want to open, I will use an attribute reference. Okay, hyperlink reference. So here I am going to write the name of the site that I want to open. So I'm going to write the name of the site which I want to open. You should write the full address of the site that you want to open, right? So if I want to open Google, I'll be writing like this: https semicolon, just 1 minute children, colon, it's not semicolon, sorry, it's colon, and then 2/ and then you write www.google.com. okay, and then here you have to write the text which will be visible, and when you take the cursor to this text, the cursor will change into a pointing finger, right? So that is what we will see, Google. So now let me save this file. Let's go back to the page and let me refresh it. So you can see here Google written, and when I take my cursor on this, it changes the shape into a pointing finger, and when I click, it opens the Google search page, right? This is how we create a hyperlink. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple to create. Right now, in place of this, if you want to show a picture, right, so you have to remove this, and then you can actually include an img tag here, src, and src will contain the name of the image that you want to show. So suppose I have actually saved a Google image here. So this name I'm going to copy, the full name I'll be copying. Just go back to the page that I'm creating. Copy that name here, and I will also fix the height and width, because otherwise the image will come big. So let me fix a height and width for the image. Okay, let me save the file. Let's go back, refresh. Okay, so you can see there is a Google image there, right? So when I take my cursor, again it will change into a pointing finger and it will show me this. Is it clear? Now let's go back to our page. Right, this is all about how to create a hyperlink and how to either use a text or use a picture as a hyperlink text. Is it clear? Now one more thing I want to show you, children. See, this is how we open a site. Suppose you don't want to open a site, but you want to open another page that you have created, right? So instead, suppose for example, let me go to the folder. You can see there are some HTML files here, right? So now I want to open let's say table.html. so what I can do is I'll just copy the name of this file. Let me go back. I'm just copying the name of this file, Control C, come back to this place, and instead of the site address, I can just write the name of the page that I want to open, table.html, and instead of this, I'm going to write table view. Okay, let me save it. Let's go back to this page, refresh. So you can see that you are seeing a word table view which I have written there, and when I take my cursor here, it actually opens the page which contained the table, right? So this is how a hyperlink works. You can either open a web page. I'll again copy the previous Google that code. Let's come here. Okay, instead of this we can just write https://www.google.com. okay, and I can have right. Now let's see how this will come. I have two links here. So you can see that table and Google is coming together. So when I click table, it shows me the table thing, and when I click Google, it takes me to the Google form. So this is all what you have to practice today. I'll be giving you the notes of this, and I'll give you assignment number 5 that you practice. Okay, and also write it in the copy. Thank you. God bless you.